was in front with Anderson Dolan. Gavrikov to Roy on the right side. For Lizotte off his stick. Battling Anderson Dolan, got it to Lizotte. Spinning, shooting, block.
Really good offensive instincts. Fight for a loose puck. Get the loose puck. And then you see backdoor. Now give Vladdy a lot of credit here. Watch how he shoots this one-timer, but it's a cross-body one-timer. I don't think that play was intended initially to go to Gavrikov. Lizotte on the turnaround spin. He's calling out someone. He won't tell who he's calling.